Okay, you join us here on Queen Square just as Playday's wrapping up here in Wrexham. Now this man's been very busy, but I finally tracked him down. It's Mr. Mike Barclay, and I'll leave you to give your full title.
I'm the Play Development Coordinator for Wrexham Council.
Very good. And how's Playday 2017 gone?
Really well, surprisingly well actually. I thought we were up against it with the weather. I mean, I know we say things like kids play out in all weathers, but there's only so much standing around in the rain that parents want to do. But we've been really lucky. The sun even came out, so.
It did for quite a while as well. It's threatening again, but
yeah, it's clearly a good sign. Everybody loves Playday, you know. We've never had any rain on it yet, so.
The question of the day has been, why is Playday so important?
Well, I mean, obviously, as you can see from Playday, people come and have a great time, and there's a lot to be said for that alone. All mixes of ages, all spending time together, having a good time, in the middle of Wrexham and feeling good about being from Wrexham. But there is a kind of more serious note, really, about trying to raise the profile of children's play and get people to recognise how important it is, so that we can take action to try and make sure children have enough time and space for playing as part of their everyday lives. Now that might sound like something that should happen anyway, but it doesn't always. Conditions aren't as good as they used to be for playing, so we do need to do things as adults to make sure kids can play. And also it's about celebrating what we've got in Wrexham. You know, Wrexham is unique really in terms of some of the playwork settings we've got. Today doesn't happen without those playwork organisations like the Venture, Borough Valley, the Eval Play team. So it's about showcasing what they do in support of children's play and saying, look, we need this stuff to keep going. This is what makes Wrexham special.
I suppose for a lot of people with austerity, they want to know where the money's going. To them, they may not immediately think of the importance of play.
No, I mean, I think as adults we can we've got lots of other priorities, haven't we, that we've got to think about. But when we speak to children, they tell us that spending time with their friends and playing is one of the most important things to them, and it is central to their experience and enjoyment of their childhoods. And we need to remember that as adults. We need to remember how important play is for children and how important it is for us. And this event kind of helps to remind people of that. And we actually need to spend some significant time thinking about how we make sure everybody gets enough time for playing in their busy lives, you know, with all the other things that are going on. And I suppose the beauty of Playday is it costs so little. You don't need any money to go out and play. You just need to, you know, have some permission and some time and some space to do it.
Very good. Well, enjoy the rest of Playday.
Thanks very much.
And we'll see you next year.
All right, we'll do. Thanks a lot.